Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to view your location on Snapchat. Let's go for it. First of all, open up Snapchat, tap on little profile icon at top left and just scroll down, and here is a option for you like a snap map. So tap on here and you can see your location from here. Just see. And if you want to search anything or find anything, so you can search it from here, like I just searched for a restaurant, so here it is. See, and here is a direction for you in here. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment section. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.